Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. Welcome back. In this video, we are diving deeper into lists and learning about two powerful concepts, list methods and list comprehensions. Let's begin by creating a new file called listmethods.py. We already know that lists are ordered and mutable. That means we can change a list after it has been created. Let's take a simple list to work with. We can copy the marks and paste it here. And now let's understand a few useful list methods by applying them. So first we can apply append method, which adds a new element at the end of the list. So we can try marks.append 74. This will change the original list. You don't need to assign it back to the list. Append function modifies the original list directly. If I print marks before the append method and if I print marks after the append method, if I run this, you can see the output. It will append 74 in the list. Now let's try marks.pop. It removes and returns the last item by default. If I run this, you can see the last item of the list has been removed. 62 has been removed. Now try marks. You can see here are many list methods, extend, index, or many. If you scroll this down, you can get many list methods here. But we can try insert. Marks.insert 1, 7. It will insert 7 on the index 1. And if you want to append each element from another list to the correct list, you can also do this. I'll give you the example. You can create the new list like extra equals to 98, 86, 24. And then marks.extend parenthesis extra. If I run this program, you will see extra marks list appends each element from another list to the current list. You can see it combines. There are many list methods like this sort method, which is sort the list in ascending order, and the reverse method, which reverses the order of elements, and the remove method, which removes the first occurrence of a value, and the count method, which can count how many times a value occurs, and the index method, which can returns the index of the first occurrence. Remember, avoid using methods that begin with double underscores unless you are doing advanced Python or working with classes. All the common methods are documented in your handbook. I highly recommend practicing them yourself. Let's now move on to something very powerful and elegant in Python, which is list comprehensions. Let's create a new Python file called listcomprehension.py. We will begin by solving a simple problem. We can create a list contains the table of 7. A equals to 7 for I in range 1, 11. We are using loop for printing the table of 7. L.append parenthesis 7 star 1 table.append table equals to square brackets. Then print table.append 7 star I. This works perfectly. What if I told you we could do the same thing in the one line by using the list comprehension? First comment it down and table equals to square brackets 7 star I for I in range 1, 11 and print table. You can see I will write it in one line. If I run this program, you will see the same output. Much cleaner, right? The syntax is expression for item in iterable. So in our example, 7 star I for I in range 1, 11. So 7 star I is the expression and for I in range 1, 11 is the loop. It's a compact way to create a list by applying logic inside square brackets. And remember, when you are using a list comprehension, your loop is simple and single lined, and you want to more concise and readable code. That's it for this video. Try out the methods on your own, practice writing list comprehensions, and I will see you in the next section where we dive into another useful data structure. Keep coding.